friends. Today in this lecture we will discuss about how to crack CSIR NET Group C part. So Group C is one of the most important group in this exam. Okay, because it consists of 100 marks. Now this 100 marks is very important because we know that the cutoff is usually increasing, so you need to perform very well in this group to score at least 70 to 80 marks to crack this exam easily. If you are good in group A and group B, then 60 marks will do the job, but I would say go for 70 to 80. Okay, so you have to correct almost 15 to 20 questions this exam to increase your chance to crack this exam. Okay, so there are total 75 questions. You have to do only 25 questions. These 25 questions are not that much tough that you won't be able to do it, but for that you have to do two things. You have to clear your basics. Your basics must be clear, and your experiment building ability should be very good. You can't excel by mugging up entirely. Your experiment building ability should be very good, because there are certain questions where they will propose you an experiment and they will ask you the outcome. They will give you the data and they will ask you to predict the outcome of this experiment. Okay, so two things you need to do. You have to clear your basics very well, and your experiment building every idea will should be very good. Now these two things are important. Along with that, there are other things which you need to focus on that, and believe me, you have to correct only 15 to 60 questions, 15 to 20 questions, sorry. Rest the job will be done. So I have discussed in my previous video how to crack group B. Okay, so if you are good in doing only 20 questions from group B, that means you are getting 40 marks. And if you are good in doing only 15 questions in group C, you are getting 60 marks, and aptitude 10, then 120 you will be getting. But I would suggest you not to take any risk. Do more than 15 questions in group C and 17 to 18 questions in group C. If they are correct, I think you are always in greater chance to get this exam, to crack this exam. Okay, so 17 to 18 questions in group C, if you are able to do it properly, you are having a great chance to crack this exam. So let us discuss about modules, which modules you need to follow or which modules you need to study for group C. So we know that there are total 13 modules. Okay, now I would like to suggest you, don't read the entire modules. Okay, if you will study about 6 to 7 modules entirely without lefting a single portion, you can easily attend 25 questions. So the major important modules are biochemistry. You can expect to get 5 to 6 questions from this part in group C. Okay, so the important question that comes from this modules, usually metabolisms. Metabolism is very important for this biochemistry part. Then structures of proteins, the Ramachandran plot, the secondary, tertiary, the dihedral angles, these are very important for. Okay, and your in metabolism, your glucose metabolism, glycolysis, TCA cycle, Okay, carbohydrate metabolism and your fat, nucleotide metabolism, the precursors, these are very important. Don't skip such part. Carbohydrate, nucleotide metabolism, the metabolic disorder, don't leave those parts. These are very important. Nucleotide metabolism, okay. Nucleotide metabolism, carbohydrate metabolism, these are very important. Your protein structures, these are very important. Your enzyme kinetics, the numerics, k turnover, km, these are very important. They will ask you questions from here. uh, kcat value, the turnover, okay, these are very important for biochemistry part. So start completing all this part. The second part is mol bio. Mol bio is again one of the most important module. You will get many questions in group C from this module. So you have to go for central dogma entirely, both prokaryotes and eukaryotic part. Don't miss a single part here. The antibiotic inhibiting the process, okay, these are very important. The modifications, post transcriptional, post translation, these are very important. Don't skip this part. Okay, so these are the parts from mol bios are very important. I would say don't skip this. Okay. This is from mol bio. From cell bio, I would suggest you from cell bio, the immunology part, the cancer biology part, these are very important. Okay, you can also expect 5 questions from this module: immunology, cancer biology. Now they can ask you experiment based question from this immunology and cancer biology part, so you have to clear your concept. Mugging up will not help you to fetch marks. Okay, so these 3 modules are very important. Let us discuss about other modules, and these portions which I have said you are also very important. Ecology. Ecology majors, many questions come from this ecology portions. You have to do your succession, island biography, island biogeography, Lotka-Volterra model, Lotka-Volterra, Lotka-Volterra, the population ecology. These are very important. Don't skip this portion. You can see my videos. I have given the important portion from ecology. You can see there which portion you need to study. So here I have written in a very brief way. Okay, so to see that which portion you should study from this module, I have already given in my videos. The link will be given at the end of this video. Okay, for all those module. Again, evolution is very important. The behavioral part is very important. Behavioral science is very important. I have seen maximum questions from this area. And behavioral science and your time period. The time period is again very important. The theory proposed by Lamarck, Darwin, all these are very important. Okay, so these are very important from evolutions. Again, I have discussed about the important topic for all those things in my slides video. Lamarck and Darwin's. Sorry for my handwriting. Okay, genetics is another most important part. don't skip this portion, especially the calculation they ask from this module. Okay, monohybrid, dihybrid, crossing over, linkage map, everything. Mono, dihybrid, crossing over, these are very important. So don't skip such part. Try to solve the numerics. They will ask you the numerics, the linkage, okay, genetic mapping, these are very important, the gene distance again, okay, so these are very important. And so these are important, and your tools and technique. Don't skip this portion, because it will help you in further future also. So okay, so you can expect 5 to 6. I can predict which kind of questions come from this module, but it is very important to complete all these things. And so this 1 2 3 4, and in the previous slide these 3 modules. So these 7 modules, if you can complete it entirely, you can easily crack the exam. And one more module important is plant physiology. Don't skip this portion, it is also very important. Try to complete the entire part which is given in the syllabus. Any question they can give from this module, okay, so entire part you have to study the plant. So these 7 to, you can choose any 6 or any 7. So these 6 to 7 modules are very important. If you can finish it properly, you can easily get the net, you can easily attend all the 25 questions. Okay, I bet I have given video on each of this module, the important topics that you need to study from each of this module. Just see those video, and I hope you will like it. And here I have summarized the modules and the questions pattern, the number of questions come. So just go through it. This video will be useful for you. If you liked it, please like and subscribe. Thank you.